how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your life. So friends, it's been 2 days since I have not uploaded a single video, and might be guys are waiting for me, and I even am also waiting for you that when I get the time so that I can shoot my video, I can record my own video and come in front of you guys. So hey, I'm back again and welcome all of you to your own YouTube channel. Friends, you know that my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Why am I recording this video? Just want to improve and enhance my spoken English along with you guys. So why? The reason of the today's video, it's very simple friends, that today we will gonna discuss about my daily routine. That what I do in my entire day. How do I spend my day? This is also a bit, I would say, tricky question, and guys, you have also come across the same situation where you have also answered that okay, this is my daily routine and this is how I spend my entire day. Suppose if you are preparing for any kind of examination and going for any kind of interview, maybe the interviewer will ask you the same question, that hey, please tell us how do you spend your day, what's your daily routine, what's your day look like. So these are certain questions and you should be prepared that okay, this is the right manner to answer this question. Friends, because actually it's not a very tough question, but student we just have made facade of it that oh my god, it's very tough. Literally guys, right now I'm learning English. So I was thinking that on which topic I can make a video. So then I went on Google and I realized that this is the most trickiest topic or most complicated topic that we often face, and we often feel afraid of it whenever we get a chance to introduce ourselves. This is the one point, and the second one is to talk about our daily routine. So right, as we friends, as we all know that we are talking about whose daily routine, we are talking about our daily routine. So आपको पता है, देखो डेली रूटीन के बारे में बात हो रही है, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, हमारे बारे में बात हो रही है. ठीक है, आपको अपना डेली रूटीन बताना है. You have to tell us your daily routine. Say like what time do you get up, what time do you wash your face, what time do you take a bath, what time do you do your household coursework, and what time do you study, what time. This is how you can easily simplify or explain your daily routine. So friends, आपको पता है अपना डेली रूटीन बता रहे हो किस टेंस में होगा. टेंस के बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है, वैसे मैं आपको कोई ग्रामेटिकल नॉलेज नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ, बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से एक्चुअली इज दैट सिंपली keep this thing in your mind, and we should keep this thing in our mind that okay, we are telling them about our daily routine, and that thing which we do on a habitual manner, जो रेगुलरली करते हैं. तो वो रेगुलरली जो भी करने वाले एक्शंस हैं वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में आते हैं, प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आते हैं. एक्चुअली बेसिकली सिर्फ प्रेजेंट सिंपल. और सोचो प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आ रहे हैं तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल में क्या है, बेसिकली एस और यस लगाना है. लेकिन राइट नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर सेल्फ, तो हमें आई लगाना है. आई के साथ कोई एस और यस नहीं जाएगा. So we just simply have to use present simple tense. That's it, and we are perfect. We are ready to go. We can frame as many sentences as you want to describe your daily routine. Isn't it interesting, friend? I would say yeah, it's absolutely interesting and engaging as well. So friends, please stay tuned with the video, watch it till the end, and I just assure you that you will gonna learn something out of this video. Just mark my word and just watch this video till the end. So friends, let us see in our first part how we can talk about our morning time. And friends, before I'll begin, I would like to make a humble request, please friend, that if I make any mistakes here and there, please forgive me, because you know that this is just maybe day 6th and 7th, and we are just practicing with each other. So I want you to practice with me, and same I am doing with you. So friends, just write your daily routine as well in the comment section. Comment sections are always open for you. You can go and type your feedback, type your I would say your daily routine, what you do in your entire day. So friends, let us see in our next part. The second part is that okay, let us start. So friends, if I talk about my daily routine, my day starts with I usually wake up at around 7 o'clock. Sometimes it could be 6:30 as well in the morning, and then after waking up, I usually stay in my bed for about 10 minutes and just think about okay, what I can do in my entire day, how can I start my day. And then I have, or I can say I drink a glass of warm water, a lukewarm water. This is how I start my day. I usually start my day in this manner only. After waking up, after sitting for 10 to 20 minutes, I usually have a glass of warm water, and it keeps me, you can say, very dehydrated, and I just enjoy. I feel that okay, like instantly I feel I would say energetic and enthusiastic. So yeah, this is how I start my day, and then I make my bed. Make my bed means आप अपना बिस्तर लगाते हो. So I usually make my bed, and then after making my bed, what I do, I go and freshen up, and then I take a bath. And after doing all this work, like I get dressed. After getting dressed, what I do, friends, I usually sit for about half an hour or 20 minutes to do worship. Because why I do worship? This is the most, friends, listen to me very carefully. This is the most finest part, or this is the most crucial part or most interesting part in my entire day that I do in this half hour is worshiping God. Literally, I usually spend like half more than 20 minutes, somewhat around 22 or 15 to 20 minutes, then where I worship God, and I just feel that okay, I'm blessed that God has given me this wonderful thing called life. And I know that right now I'm learning English. I know maybe so many like there would be so many obstacles will come in my journey, but I'm pretty much confident, I'm pretty much determined, I'm pretty much powerful, and I know that I can handle each and every obstacles if God is with me. So this is how I start my day, and it keeps me very positive, friends. Literally, it keeps me very positive and calm and composed. So if you also start your day in the same manner, please do let me know in the comment section, friend. I would love to know the comment. I would love to read your comment. Seriously, guys. So if you are enjoying this video as well, so far have you listened to the all things that I have said? Please do let me know. And if you're liking it, then please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to your own YouTube channel. So friends, let us move to the next one. After doing the worship, what I do, I generally have my breakfast at around somewhat around 9 o'clock in the morning. I by myself prepare the breakfast. Sometimes my mom, she usually prepares it, but I usually try to prepare. What I have in my breakfast is somewhat around a glass of milk sometimes, and along with biscuits. Sometimes bread is there, sometimes like a poha and some other macaroni. So these kind of I would say breakfast that I usually have in my entire day. After having my breakfast, what I normally do is just to think about that okay, what thing I can do right now, how I can start my day. So I just not just, I am not that sort of a person or not that ingenious that who prepares a to-do list. Because when I used to do it, but now I don't do it. So I just think that okay, this is the day, this is the work which I need to do in my entire day. So after having breakfast, what I do, I just sit for about 5 minutes, and then I think that what I can cook for the lunch. Then I prepare the lunch for my whole family. And now you would be like, what about your mother? Your mother is not preparing the breakfast or lunch. Actually, guys, she does. She prepares it. She just helps me, and sometimes I help her. So this is how we prepare our lunch. After preparing the lunch, guys, a little bit household chores work are there, so I just quickly finishes them, and then I sit for my on my study table, and I at least study for about like a one and like yeah, I just study for about some time. And then I thought that okay, then I think about that, oh, okay, what topic I can make a video. So this is also usually I decide whenever I sit on my laptop table or I'm studying. By the time only I decide that okay, today I'm going to make a video on this topic, and this would be the key factors which I need to include in my would say lecture, or I need to discuss with my co-learners, with my friends. So friends, this is what I do in my, I would say, in afternoon time. You know about the morning time, yeah, we usually we just do the normal daily routine, like brushing up our teeth and freshen up and taking a bath, and then like doing the household chores, sometimes worshipping, also having the breakfast. So this is what we do in our morning time. But when it comes to afternoon, in the lunch time, I would say during the daytime, we maybe if you are a working professional, then we go to our office and do the work over there. But suppose if you're not a working professional, if you are staying in a house, then we just do, maybe sometimes we spend in our studies, sometimes we watch a movie, sometimes we go out here and there. But if I talk about me, friends, literally believe me, in the daytime I usually record my video and just study for about like few hours, so that I can at least okay have something in my mind that okay, this is what going in the market and this is how I need to make up to. So friends, I just hope that you are not bored with my daily routine, although I know it's quite boring. But having said that, friends, it's pretty much easier. This is how you can also talk about your daily routine. If you will tell them like a story, literally believe me, friend, they will gonna take a key interest in your daily routine, and they will gonna listen to you very, I would say, captivatingly and very fascinatingly, that okay, this person is telling us something really interesting, something really fascinating, we should listen to this person. So, and yeah, this is all about my daytime. If I if I move towards my evening time, friends, usually in the evening time sometimes I would say, yeah, generally, I take an online session, and I use Peer Up application also, so that I can practice my spoken English, and I enhance my communication and improve my English as well. Sorry. So yeah, I use this Peer Up application for about, I would say, yeah, 20 minutes, sometimes half an hour also. I try to connect with different co-learners, such as like maybe, yeah, I always try to find a person with whom I can have a longer conversation, so that I can also improve, and side by side the person can also not just learn, but at least okay feel that okay, this person is not learning, she is also improving. What do you mean by learning and improving? Friends, learning means that you are just learning and keep learning and keep learning. Improving means while the time you are learning, you are also improving in the same way. So this is how. So enhancement should be there. Improvement should be there. Okay, trust me. So if I come to my evening time, usually, friend, sometimes I just take a cup of tea, and along with some evening snacks. So do let me know, friends, do you also take a cup of tea? Are you a tea lover or a coffee lover? Do you prefer coffee to tea or tea to coffee? Please do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this is how I start my evening, friend. Then I just have a chit chat with my mom, with my neighbor, and somewhere here and there. I try to analyze my videos also, that this is the improvement which I need to do, and okay, these people are okay, enjoying my video, or some of them are not enjoying. So this is how I analyze. And then in the evening time, again in the night time, again the same daily routine, preparing dinner, thinking about what thing I need to prepare, what can I prepare for the day, for the dinner actually. So this is how I think, and then I prepare the dinner, and then we usually with my family member, I have my dinner, and then we talk about, while having a dinner, we just talk about that how we spent our entire day, what thing we know, new thing we have learned today, and what happened with us on the entire day. Is there something interesting and something engaging happened today? So we usually discuss about that thing. So please, friend, do you let me know one thing in the comment section? Do you have your dinner with your family member, or do you have it like by yourself? If you are not living with your family, maybe if you are a working professional or living somewhere, so that you can prepare for any kind of examination, please do let me know in the comment section, friends. So yeah, this is how after dinner I usually clean up the utensil, or do the dishes. Doing the dishes means bartan saaf karna. So yeah, I do that. And then, friends, literally I just hit the sack. I usually try not to I usually try that I need to cut down on my screen time. So I really use this phone. I really use my phone while the time I go to sleep. So yeah, I just read something, one article, or sometimes a news, or you can say interesting story before sleeping. So yeah, I used to read that, and I read that. Then yeah, this is how I spend my entire day. It's quite not that interesting, but yeah, sometimes it can be fascinating. It depends on situation to situation, that what thing I need to do in my entire day. So friends, yeah, this is all about my daily routine. I just hope that you have enjoyed all this video so far. If you have enjoyed, and even if you have not learned anything out of this video, and if it is quite I would say easier for you, please do let me know in the comment section, friends. And having said that, friend, one more thing that I would like to tell you, that if you have enjoyed this video and if you have learned something out of it, then please do share your daily routine with me in the comment section, and I would read each and every comment and then reply on it. Please, friends, do it. It's just not for, I'm just saying it for like taking of the channel or growing like for my channel. No, friends, I just want your improvement and your involvement as well. If you're not involved, then there would be no conversation, there would be no discussion. But if you really want to like talk to me, and if you really want to share your insights, your feedback, please do it. And I'll see you with another one just like this one, friends. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye.